This is the last of it. We are out of here, saying goodbye to our old apartment. Bye-bye. Look at the flower Giorgio got me for Valentine's Day. So pretty. They're like a neon pink. So pretty. I'm gonna put a little water on them, see if they'll last a little longer. Oh, it doesn't have that much alcohol in it. Just 4.2. That's pretty decent. I bought some new shoes, guys. Nordstrom Rack was having like a sale on all women's shoes last week, like the week of Valentine's Day week or the week after. This week, which is the start of the 20th, I believe is for men. I believe it's the men's shoes will be on sale this week. So anyways, long story short, I got these Pumas. I was looking for like some white, all white sneakers, like almost like the classic Adidas. So I ended up finding these. When I bought these were not on sale. I've wore these like twice already. I'm still in the hunt of looking for some white shoes without the gray. and I want them to be flatter. These are Puma, but these were like $50, I think, $52. Wasn't too bad. Oh, those shoes next to that, those are Giorgio's tennis shoes. These as well from Nordstrom's Rack. Hadn't been in Nordstrom's Rack since probably 2019. Anyways, good sell. I got these. I don't know what possessed me to get these. I just thought these were so fly. And y'all know I like statement shoes, like my pink coaches, my glittery shoe. We'll probably wear these to work tomorrow because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Thursday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. So I probably will wear these tomorrow. But these, I just had to get them. They are so cute. Also got some new hygiene things I want to talk to you guys about for migraine sufferers, because I think I found a couple of new items for migraine sufferers that is pretty cool. Actually, let me show you because I don't have enough to make a whole video, but this right here, and I don't know, the lid doesn't fit on this very well, is probably a good one for migraine sufferers. This is pineapple and papaya body mist, and it's so mild and it smells so good. I got another one I want to show you guys. Giorgio actually picked this up for me. What would I do without him, y'all? What would I do? And they're actually on clearance. I've only seen these at Target. This is the watermelon scent, and it's very mild. It doesn't like give me the worst headache when I'm in the shower. We did move. The apartment that we showed you guys in our after Christmas vlog, we chose that apartment complex. We just chose a different floor plan. That floor plan was just a little too small. We were looking for something much bigger. I wanted like a full-fledged walk-in closet where I can like record videos, even put like a makeup desk in that. And these apartments that we live in, the apartment we live in offers all of that. Actually, there's 2 huge walk-in closets. We just wanted a bigger floor plan, and this apartment is huge. It is probably, yeah, it's really big, and I'm loving it. In love with it. All it's like our apartment is like living on a resort. It's just so nice. We got like 3 pools, all kind of stuff going on over here. A whole game system, a really nice updated gym. Like they just updated the gym probably like a month ago. All new gym equipment. I just love it. Just love it. I love the apartment. I haven't gotten anything new for the apartment. I'm the type of person, like, if it works, it works. I don't care about what everybody else do as far as trends with updating and everything white. I cannot stand a lot of white. If you know, then you know why I don't like a lot of whites. No, I don't want no white furniture. Plus, we are loungers. We like to lounge on the couch and watch TV. That white would be so dirty. So, we're just not the type of people that constantly change out our furniture. Like, we've already changed it out 3 times since 2019. We had a great couch, you guys. If you go all the way back to when I started YouTube, we had a great couch. Now we have a blue sectional. I'm good. We'll keep that sectional until, I don't know. The only thing that's different is, I am looking for a new makeup desk chair. And we're looking for a lounging chair for Giorgio in the living room. That's pretty much all we're going to do different with this apartment. Nothing else. I love the walls, and I love that they're bare and they're kind of textured. So I don't think I'm going to be putting any pictures up on the wall. So. Y'all, I still got this here and it is still hanging in there, and it's gonna stay in my head till vacation time, which is in 3 weeks. 3 weeks till vacation time. What is even that? Hey, y'all, look at this. I want to do a little bit with the new home, but Burlington got some really nice stuff. I was looking for a new centerpiece. Love, like this, that pink right there is like really cute. I don't know.